Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Maths Fun Learning. I'm your math teacher Rashi. So kids, if you like my video, please subscribe it and share with your friends. In this video, we are going to solve third section of this paper, and that is Everyday Mathematics of Class 1 IMO International Maths Olympiad. That's a paper set A and of 2019. Yeah, so let's start section 3, Everyday Mathematics. Okay, now let's see question number 21. Everyday Mathematics, you already know that there are 10 questions in this section. So let's read that question. Always keep pencil ready with you, and when you start reading the question, you have to underline the important words here and the terms. Okay, and I want to request you all that if you start reading the question, please don't explain your kids, only read and just explain it. While after reading the question, you just explain them through the help of the visual form. With the help of the visual form, you can just explain your kids. So now we'll start this question number 21. Tanya had 25 paper boards. Her brother gave her 22 paper boards. How many paper boards does she have now? Okay, so let's see visually how do we solve this question. See, I have some cartoon character here, so I will explain you with the help of that. This is Tanya, and she is having 25 paper boards. Okay, so the paper boards, I hope you all love how to make a paper boards. Yeah, so this is a paper board, and if she is having 25 paper board, and her brother, so brother came and he gave her 22 paper boards. So he gave her 22 paper boards. That means he has more paper boards with her, right? She has more paper boards. So let's start. That means we have to add these because she is having more paper boards now. This is ones place, this is tens place. Now if you add 5 plus 2, 7, 2 plus 2, 4. Well done kids. There are 47 paper boards, total paper boards she is having now. So you can see here there are 4 options. In this, B option is correct. That is 47. Your answer 47 is here. So that means she is having 47 paper boards. Well done, you are doing a good job. Now 22nd question. Varun made 27 sandwiches and distributed them equally. Remember that equally among his 5 friends. How many sandwiches did each of his friends get? So, okay, now suppose Varun is here. Okay, he is Varun. He has 25 sandwiches. Okay, and he distributed 25 sandwiches equally in 5 friends. So 1 friend, 2 friend, 3 friend, 4 friend, and 5 friend. Yeah, let's write the number in front of the friends. So he equally distributed for 25 sandwiches with his 5 friends. So kids, I have some sandwiches in the shape of a triangle. So let's distribute these triangles equally to his friends. So first I will give one sandwiches to all, and we will count it. 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20, 21, 22, 23, 24 and 25. Look here kids, visually you can see one friend got 5 sandwiches. Yeah, so each friend got 5 sandwiches. So 5 equally sandwiches are distributed to all 5 friends. Okay, so let's see here. That means the option A is correct, 5 sandwiches. Now let's come to the another one. Question number 23. Mona's father has given her 100 rupees as a birthday gift. Which of the following toys can she buy? Okay, now I also has 100 rupees. So Mona's father gave her 100 rupees. Let's see which toy is less than 100 rupees. See which of the following toys can she buy. So she will buy a toy which is which is in 100 rupees or less than 100 rupees. So doll, let's see the price of doll, 125. Oh, this is more. That means this is not a correct answer. 90 rupees. Yes, 90 comes under 100. So this one, I'll just put a tick. Let's check others. 150 rupees. No, that is 150 rupees is more than 100. 120 rupees xylophone, it is more than 100 rupees. That is also not a correct answer. So our correct answer is B, 90 rupees. So well done everyone. Move on to the next question. 24. Question number 24. Pooja bought the giving tennis ball. So look here, this is a tennis ball. The cost of the tennis ball is 38 rupees. Okay. So Pooja bought the giving tennis ball, that is 38 rupees. If she gave 50 rupees to the shopkeeper, how much amount of the money did she get back? Okay kids, think about that. You are going to buy a ball and that is 38 rupees. And you have a 50 rupees with you and you have to give it to the shopkeeper. So what you did, you gave that shopkeeper 50 rupees and how much you will return back. See, it is a less than 38 rupees. So that means you will get back. Get back means you have to, how much, it is said how much, you have to subtract it. Okay, so let's subtract the amount of tennis ball. So you have a 50 rupees which you gave to the shopkeeper and you have to subtract 38. The 38 is the amount of your tennis ball. So we'll put a ones and tens also. 0 minus 8. Is it possible? Wait, yeah, no. So we have to take a borrow. So we'll take a borrow from the tens place. So it is become 10 now. 10 minus 8 is 2 and this 5 is become 4. 4 minus 3 is 12. Yeah. So shopkeeper gave him back 12 rupees. Okay. Yeah. So you can see option A is your correct answer. Now come to the question number 25. Shreya bought 12 cupcakes on Monday and 10 cupcakes on Tuesday, 34 cupcakes on Wednesday. How many cupcakes did she buy altogether? Kids, look here. This is a keyword of addition. How many? and all together. All together means you have to combine all. So this is the addition, keyword of addition. So let's start. She is Shreya, and she bought cupcakes. She bought cupcakes. Okay. She bought cupcakes on Monday 12 and on Tuesday 10 and on Wednesday 34. So all together you have to do add here. So I told you have to write tens and ones. Add 2 plus 0, 2. 2 plus 4, 6. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 3, 5. That means all together total cupcake she bought is 56. Yeah. So here you can see option C is correct answer. Well done. Now let's come to the next question, 26. Riya had pomegranates. Let's count how many pomegranates she had. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You can see here total 12 pomegranates are there. She had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, that means we have to cut 5 pomegranate because she had 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See how many pomegranates are left with her. See kids, left is a keyword of subtraction. The total pomegranate you have to subtract 5 from it because she already had that. So let's see, visually you can see it here how many are left with Riya. Only she had 5, and let's see how many she is having now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. She is having 7 pomegranate with her. So let's see the answer. Option C is the correct answer. Yeah. Well done, kids. Oh, question number 27. A monster has 5 eyes. Oh, look, the monster. It has 5 eyes. It's very dangerous. Look, very dangerous. Oh my God. 5 such monsters will have how many eyes? Dash eyes. So we have to count the number of the eyes. If one monster has a 5 and 5 monster has how many eyes? So let's do visually here. Okay. This is the question number 27. Okay. So look here, this is a big monster. 1 eye, 2 eye, 3 eye, 4 eye and 5 eye. Yes, one monster has 5 eyes. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 2 monster has 5 eyes. Total how many eyes? 3. Third monster has a 5 eyes. 4 monster has a 5 eyes. I'll make it only round so that I will explain you. 5th monster also has a 5 eyes. Look here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many monsters are there? 5. If each monster has a 5 eyes, that means it's a repeating addition. So repeating addition is called a multiplication. 5 5s are 25. So let's count here. Total eyes are 25. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Yes, 25 eyes. Total eyes are 25. Yeah, so let's come. Yeah. Option C is the correct answer. Very good. Now let's come to the question number 28. Pratik bought a cold drink can be shown in this picture. So you can see cold drink can is here. The shape of this can is what is the shape here? This is a cylinder. Very good. Yeah. The weight of Priya's teddy bear is equal to the 4 dolls. Okay. One teddy bear is equal to the 4 dolls. Okay, I have, instead of dolls, I will take a 4 squares. If one teddy bear is equal to the 4 squares, so what is the weight of this 2 teddy bear? So one teddy bear has a 4, second teddy bear is also having a 4. Yeah, so total how many dolls it's equal to the weight? How many dolls? Yes, 8 dolls. The weight of 8 dolls. So fourth option D is correct. Next, come to the question number 30. Vinay had pencils. Let's count the pencils. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So Vinay had 15 pencils. Think about that, if you have 15 pencils and you used 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you used 5 pencils, which of the following number sentence represent the numbers of pencils left with him? Left, do you understand? Left is a keyword of subtraction. Yes. So that means if you have a 15 pencils and you used 5 pencils, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pencils, and how many pencils are with you? So you have to show, it's showing here, you can see options, 4 options are there. You have to find out the correct option. So this is a subtraction one, which I already told you, that is a left is a subtraction keyword. 15 minus 5, because 5 pencils you already used, 15 you have pencils total number. Let's count the how many left with you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. Look here, the B option is the correct answer. So, well done kids, you did a good job. So if you like my video, if you enjoy this, please subscribe my channel and share with your friend. Bye and take care.